the newsmaker of CC this week, and it had to be somebody from the crypto world. Why, you ask? Well, because of the craziness that we saw in the crypto space, because of misinformation that came out that there was going to be a bill that will be tabled by the government and it is going to ban crypto in India. That's certainly not the case. In fact, a bill is still in the works. We don't even know what the final bill is going to look like. So to talk to us about that, let's talk to somebody who's actually had audience with the government, had this negotiation one-on-one to understand which way this is going. Joining us today on the show is Ashish Singhal, CEO of CoinSwitch Kuber. Hi Ashish, welcome to CC. Firstly, just start by telling us what a week it must have been for you guys as well. It's been absolute panic. But as we speak, in fact, much earlier as well, most of the coins or the coins with highest market caps have come to pre-crash levels, right? So it all is well now, at least in the crypto space.
Oh, so last couple of days have been very hectic. Making sure that the users are protected, they get the right information from the right source has been one of the challenges. I think what the parliamentary, the listing kind of create a buzz into the ecosystem. A lot of interpretations were coming out into the market without knowing, what the real repercussions would be, what reality of the bill is actually there, right? So I think a lot of our time in the last 2 days have gone into, tackling this misinformation, creating the right set of information for our users, making sure that they are protected at any given point in time.
Misinformation had to be addressed indeed, and that's why we have been covering all that news that has been breaking on NDTV as well, on this show as well. But Ashish, tell us, you've had one-on-one FaceTime with the government on this matter, right? How close are we to a final bill? Or let's put it this way, at what stage is the negotiation to have crypto regulated in India?
So our discussion over the last few weeks indicate that there is a broad agreement on ensuring customers are protected, financial system stability is reinforced, and India is able to take advantage of the crypto technology revolution in itself. So people are now understanding that crypto is beyond currency use case itself. It's the new asset class in the making. Tomorrow's big companies, big use cases would be solved and built on blockchain and hopefully would come from India. So they're ready to regulate this in a way that, that can promote this entire technical revolution in the making, right? So we are very, very hopeful that there would be positive steps taken in the right direction. There are definitely cons in crypto as well. So creating regulations which would tight fence those cons and create financial stability, yet providing progressive regulations to actually help innovation to foster in India.
Progressive regulation, well, that seems to be the key word, not just coming from industry, but even the Prime Minister when he spoke on this matter. So thanks, Ashish, for joining us. Well, that should give you a perspective on what the truth really when it comes to the regulation is and currently how things stand in India.